So yeah, this is a Senegal parrot, and they are quite intelligent birds or parrots. They're really colorful and very social. They have some good vocal abilities actually to mimic and imitate the sounds they hear or the voices. The Senegal parrots, if you haven't seen one, this is a good chance now to see. As you can see, I was spraying water onto it, and it was really enjoying it because it was a hot day then. Yeah, this Senegal parrot actually lives about 20 to 30 years. So it's a pretty long time if you're thinking about getting one. And yeah, as you can see, it keeps enjoying the water and it's really cute to see it. So parrots are really interested, and this is one.